amazing chicken vegan substitute jackfruit. I'm using frozen one. Thaw it, cut into small pieces, marinate with turmeric, salt and pepper for 20 minutes. And for a gravy we need onion, ginger and garlic and some dry spices. Heat the pan with some oil in it and roast the dry spices. Add onion, ginger, garlic puree into it and cook it until it turns golden brown. Now add some spices, turmeric, pepper, salt and garam masala and coriander powder. Add tomato puree, 2 tomatoes puree into it and cover it. Cook it well until the oil releases. Add the marinated jackfruit and some butter and add water for required consistency. Cook for 20 minutes. Here it is ready. Serve it with rice, naan, whatever you like.